Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Your Makeup. My name is V. In today's eyeshadow look and full makeup, I will be using black owned companies only. Only black owned companies I'll be using to create this look. What I don't have that is black owned, I will not use. So I'm gonna start with black Opal. As far as I know, and I researched, they said that they were black owned. So this is the primer. I'm going to prime my face. So that was the black Opal face primer. Second, I am going to do my brows. I am going to also use, well, I might use two. I might use the JUVIA'S Place gel brow liner or the black Opal eyeliner. I will use one of those. I'm using a JUVIA'S Place brush. So I'm using the brown one. My mirror is right here, so I'm using that. Now I'm going to do foundation, and my foundation is also by JUVIA'S Place, the Velvet Matte. I don't need all of the JUVIA'S Place foundation. You don't need a lot. That is way too much. That's way more than I needed, but I'll have to work it. A little bit of this foundation goes a long way, and it is a nice foundation, good coverage. My pictures always come out really nice when I'm wearing JUVIA'S Place. I have noticed that. And there's another foundation that does that, but it's not black owned. But today we're working with only black owned products. So my brows get messed up, I will fix it in the end. So don't worry. Let's play with makeup. Let us have fun with our makeup. This is the JUVIA'S Place foundation. For my concealer, I'm using the Lip Bar concealer. They're also black owned. I'm just tapping it in place. The next item I have is the eyeshadow foundation base, and that is by Playing in Makeup by Yolando. So I'm gonna use that as my eyeshadow base. The eyeshadow palette I am going to use today is also black owned, and it is BEAUTE. And this is the Flare palette. The colors look like this. And I'm going to use that palette. Now I'm gonna use the JUVIA'S Place Gel Black Eyeliner. I have no mascara from any black owned company, so I'm just gonna use the spoolie to just feather my lashes. Spoolie is my mascara. I took the black Opal pencil and put in my waterline. For contour, I am going to use the UOMA double-sided stick. To set my foundation, I'm using the FENTY Press Powder Foundation in 420. I'm setting the foundation and the contour at the same time because the contour is cream. Now I'm using the bronzer from Colored RAINE and also their brush, black owned. This is pretty. And like this bronzer, you can actually tell I have it on. Beautiful. For blush, I'm using MENTED. For finishing powder, I am using the lip bar. For highlighter, I'm using Colored RAINE. This all black stuff is coming pretty good. This is like a lilac. Woof, I think I put way too much. Oh my god. Gotta fix that. Wow. You see this? I'm back with today's eye look, and everything that I used today, the full face makeup, was all black owned. I will list everything in the description below, and I will tell you it is beautiful. The colors that I use from the BEAUTE Flare palette, I use this green all over my eyes. Then I take this blue right here and I put in the crease, and I take this shimmer right here and I put on the lids. That was the three colors I used from that palette. And JUVIA'S Place FUMI lip gloss, the collaboration with FUMI, the lip gloss. This is what I have on my lips, but I put it very light. You can make it darker, but I wanted to keep it light today. This is a full face makeup using all black owned products. I had no lip liner from a black owned company, so I did not use lip liner. I had no mascara from a black owned company. I did not use mascara. Everything I have on my face is black owned. Again, thank you all for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video. Thank you all again. It's beautiful. The black-owned companies make really nice things. Thank you all. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.